Hello everyone, we welcome you all into the exciting world of emotion detection for product reviews. In just a few moments, we are going to see how we brought together emotions and technology using Python.
Now, why did we choose emotion analysis for product reviews? Picture this. The online market is flooded with reviews, but are they truly reflective of customers' feelings?
Exactly. Traditional methods miss the emotional context. Our model fills this gap. Emotions matter. A positive or negative emotion can speak louder than words. Our model ensures businesses truly understand their customers.
By analyzing textual data, we didn't just see what people were saying, we felt what they were feeling. Each line of the code was just like a stroke on a canvas, painting a picture of human emotion.
Our journey was filled with challenges, but together we pushed boundaries. From the late-night coding sessions to analyzing intricate data patterns, every moment was a step toward understanding the human psyche.
With Python as a weapon of choice, we delved into natural language processing and machine learning. Our goal was to create a system that would understand sentiment from text, and Python empowered us to achieve that.
Python allowed us to pre-process text efficiently, cleaning it up and making it ready for analysis. Libraries like NLTK became our best friends, helping us to tokenize words and remove stop words.
Now let's see the working of our model. First, let's take a look at the dataset we're working with. It's a comprehensive dataset with various attributes. The sentiment column is what our model aims to predict. Now let's understand how our Python code processes this data and makes predictions. In the beginning, we import essential libraries like pandas, NLTK and scikit-learn. We also pre-process the text data, converting it to lowercase, removing punctuation and tokenizing the words. After loading and pre-processing our dataset, we split it into training and testing sets. The model is trained using the naive-Bayes classifier. We then evaluate the model's accuracy using the testing dataset. High accuracy, of course. Now let's see the model in action. The program prompts the user to enter a product review and a model predicts the sentiment. The program doesn't stop after one prediction. You can continue testing with more reviews.
We owe our success to the unwavering support of our mentors and the power of teamwork. The thrill of exploring uncharted territories of emotions through technology was both exhilarating and enlightening.
Before we go, we invite you to join us in this captivating world of emotion and code. It's not just a project, it's a glimpse into the future where feelings meet data. Thank you for being a part of our journey.